over the last several weeks, we've been on a journey to get this match to a very popular level in terms of ticket sales. To use the Drua analogies, we're coming home with a wet sail. As I have suggested in recent comments, there's been a little bit of a last-minute syndrome, but the last minute's arrived. We've had the team in camp all week. A whole bunch of promotions happening out there. Our awareness is very strong, and I'm delighted to report to you that ticket sales have really lifted. I'm told that there are queues out at the Fiji Sports Council, long queues, people seeking to buy, and the interest is very strong. So as of 1 o'clock today, we have sold or allocated just over 10,000 tickets, which is a long way north of where we were a few weeks ago, or even several days ago. So we're delighted with that, and we believe that with further sales for the remainder of today and tomorrow, we'll get close to having a full house, which is fantastic news. A couple of weeks ago, I flagged the possibility of the match being delayed on television. And earlier this week, I said that the match would be delayed on television, but I also said that if ticket sales came through, that we would reverse that decision and allow it to go live. And I'm delighted to announce this afternoon that the broadcast will be live on Sky Pacific and FBC. The match will be shown live to rugby fans across the country. We have got a crowd which we're happy with. We hope it will be even stronger than it is today. So we encourage fans who haven't got their tickets to please get down to the Fiji Sports Council. I believe that our distribution arrangements with Post Fiji and Jack's Retail have now stopped for logistical reasons. They needed to be cut off and brought back to the centre. But tickets are still available at Fiji Sports Council. They will continue to be available until kick-off. I can also tell you that 2 of our categories are sold out. Gold tickets, which were priced at $150, are no longer available. And silver tickets, which were sold at $75, are also no longer available. They're fully sold. We have some platinum tickets at the top of the grandstand still available at $180, and we have plenty of $20, $30 and $40 tickets on the grass and the lower part of the embankment. So there is no shortage of tickets, and they're at an affordable price. So, as I said, we encourage people to come along and grab those tickets before it's too late.